Have you ever witnessed something go from total obscurity to absolute stardom almost overnight? It's like one day nobody's talking about it and the next it's all anyone can think about. Trends can be unpredictable, but every so often something comes along that just explodes onto the scene. That's exactly what happened with Labubu toys from Pop Mart. These quirky little figures seemed to appear out of nowhere, and suddenly, they were the talk of the town. Almost overnight, Labubu toys were everywhere. People carrying colorful boxes down the street, friends showing off their latest finds, and unboxing videos taking over social media feeds. It felt like everyone wanted to be part of the craze. It's as if the whole country collectively decided that these little monster dolls, with their mischievous grins and big ears, were the coolest thing ever. Suddenly they weren't just toys, they were a cultural phenomenon. Toy stores saw lines wrapping around the block with eager fans waiting hours just for a chance to buy one. Some people even camped out overnight hoping to snag the latest release before it sold out. The demand was wild. Shoppers were desperate to get their hands on these vinyl figures, each one with its own unique personality and charm. The excitement in the air was almost electric. Pop Mart, already a massive sensation in Asia, was still relatively new to the US market. But when Labubu arrived, it didn't just make a splash, it created a tidal wave of interest. Social media played a huge role in fueling the hype. Videos of people unboxing their mystery toys, sharing their collections, and hunting for rare figures went viral. The thrill of the unknown, the excitement of discovery, it was irresistible. The real magic? Each Labubu comes in a blind box, so you never know which character you'll get. It's a game of chance, a little mystery that keeps people coming back for more. Opening a blind box is like playing the lottery, but instead of cash, you win a cute, quirky monster to brighten up your desk or shelf. The anticipation is half the fun. Pop Mart can't keep shelves stocked, stores sell out within hours, and fans are driving across cities and sometimes even states just to track down these elusive toys. It's turned into a nationwide treasure hunt. Collectors swap tips online, share store locations, and celebrate their finds like they've struck gold. And all this excitement is for a toy that's just a few inches tall. It's amazing how something so small can create such a big impact. The craze is wild and honestly, kind of fascinating. People from all walks of life are getting swept up in the excitement, making new friends and sharing stories along the way. Trends move at lightning speed these days. One moment, you've never heard of Labubu, and the next, it's everywhere you look. Billboards, online ads, and endless notifications keep the buzz alive. The surprise, the hunt, the hype, it's a perfect storm of excitement. Every new release feels like an event, and every find is a victory. Right now, Labubu is the hottest thing around. Stores can't keep up, and collectors can't get enough. Who would have guessed that a little monster from Asia could take over America? But here we are, watching Labubu become a household name. Whether you're a serious collector, a casual fan, or just someone who's curious about the hype, it's almost impossible to ignore the Labubu phenomenon. So welcome to the world of Labubu, a world where a tiny monster can spark big dreams, endless excitement, and a community of fans who just can't get enough. What makes Labubu so addictive? It's all about the mystery box. You buy a box, but you have no idea which toy you'll get. It's a gamble. Maybe you get your favorite, maybe you get 5 of the same one. This blind box system is genius for business and irresistible for collectors. To complete a set, you have to keep buying, trading, and hoping. It's not just about the toy, it's about the thrill of the reveal. That moment before you open the box, anything is possible. People film unboxings, share reactions, and millions watch. The excitement, the disappointment, the community, it's all part of the experience. Trading duplicates brings collectors together. The whole culture is built on surprise and anticipation. Simple idea, brilliant execution. The mystery keeps people coming back for more. It's not just a toy, it's an event, and that's why Labubu is everywhere. So, who exactly is Labubu, and why has this quirky character captured the hearts of collectors all over the world? Labubu is a mischievous, long-eared monster with a toothy grin. Adorable, but with a playful edge that sets it apart from typical cute toys. Its wide eyes and cheeky smile give it a personality that's both endearing and a little bit mysterious, making it instantly recognizable. The character was brought to life by Hong Kong artist Kaising Lung, who drew inspiration from the magical creatures of European folklore. Lung's background in illustration and storytelling shines through in every detail, from Labubu's expressive face to its whimsical poses. Labubu is part of the Monsters series, a collection that features a whole cast of quirky friends like Tokoko, Spooky, and more. Each figure in the series has its own unique look and personality, making the world of the monsters feel like a living, breathing storybook. Every character comes with its own backstory, so collecting them isn't just about owning toys, it's about building a miniature universe filled with adventure, friendship, and a touch of mischief. For many fans, arranging their collections is like curating their own fantasy world. Even Labubu's name has a story. It's said to have roots in Nordic mythology, which adds a layer of fantasy and mystery to the character. This mythological connection gives Labubu a timeless, almost legendary feel. What really keeps collectors coming back is the endless creativity. One series might feature Labubu dressed as a delicious dessert, while another transforms it into a sea monster or a magical creature from a fairy tale. The possibilities are endless, and each new design brings a fresh twist. This constant reinvention means there's always something new to discover, and collectors love the thrill of the hunt, whether it's tracking down a rare figure or unboxing the latest release. Labubu strikes the perfect balance between cute and weird, making it appealing to both kids and adults. Its odd features and playful charm invite curiosity and spark imagination, no matter your age. Unlike your average toy, Labubu is a character with real personality, a little bit cheeky, a little bit mysterious, and always full of charm. It's the kind of figure that makes you smile every time you see it. The excitement around each new release is contagious. Fans eagerly await the next creative twist, and every unveiling feels like a special event in the world of designer toys. Once you add one Labubu to your collection, it's hard to stop. The variety and creativity make each figure feel like a must-have, and soon your shelf starts to look like a magical menagerie. Labubu isn't just a toy, it's a piece of modern folklore, a collectible that tells a story and brings a little bit of magic into everyday life. That's what makes Labubu truly stand out in the world of collectibles. It's not just about the figure itself, but the creativity, imagination, and community it inspires. Here's where the obsession hits another level: secret or chase figures. In every series there's a super rare Labubu hidden in the mix. Odds of finding one? Sometimes 1 in 144 boxes. Pulling a secret is like winning the lottery for collectors. These rare figures can sell for hundreds, even thousands on the resale market. The hunt for a secret turns a fun hobby into a high-stakes game. People camp out overnight for new releases, hoping to score the ultimate prize. The rarity drives the craze. Everyone wants the story of finding the golden ticket. If it were easy, it wouldn't be special. The thrill of the chase is what keeps collectors coming back. It's not just about the toy, it's about beating the odds. Owning a secret Labubu is a badge of honor. That's the magic and madness of the hunt. With popularity comes strange stories, and Labubu has its share. The high value of rare figures has led to thefts and shady behavior. Some even claim the dolls are cursed, moving on their own or bringing bad luck. Online, people share spooky tales of Labubu shifting positions at night. There's no proof, but the rumors add to the mystique. It's probably just imagination, but it makes collecting more fun. The creepy stories have become part of Labubu lore. Is it just a toy, or something more? Most likely it's all hype, but it keeps things interesting. Every collection needs a good ghost story. I kept hearing about Labubu everywhere. On social media, from friends, even in random conversations at the local coffee shop. The hype was impossible to ignore, so I decided it was finally time to see what all the fuss was about. That's when I set out on my very own Labubu hunt, determined to experience the thrill for myself. But let me tell you, finding these little guys was way harder than I expected. I visited 3 different stores, each one more picked over than the last. Every shelf in the collectibles section was empty, and I wasn't the only one searching. Other shoppers looked just as disappointed. Some stores were even closed, their windows plastered with sold-out signs. Just when I was about to give up, I wandered into a small comic shop tucked away on a side street. There, hidden on a dusty back shelf, I spotted a few Labubu boxes peeking out from behind some other toys. It felt like finding buried treasure. I didn't hesitate. I grabbed 3 boxes, hoping I'd get a good mix. The excitement was building. Would I get something rare or just a bunch of duplicates? Back at home, I set up my camera to capture the moment. I shook each box, trying to guess what was inside, my heart racing with anticipation. There's something about the mystery that makes every unboxing feel like a mini adventure. The first box revealed Spooky, the adorable pumpkin guy. I couldn't help but smile. He was even cuter in person than in the photos I'd seen online. The second box, though, was a letdown, another spooky. Getting duplicates is always a risk with mystery boxes, and it stings a little, but that's part of the game. Then came the third box. I tore it open and saw a flash of pink, classic Labubu, dressed as a jester. It was the one I'd secretly hoped for, and pulling it out felt like winning a tiny lottery. So after all that searching, I ended up with 2 spookies and 1 Labubu. Not a bad haul for my very first try, and definitely enough to get me hooked. Now I totally understand why some collectors go all in and buy entire cases at once. The urge to keep opening boxes, chasing after that one rare figure is real. There's a rush that comes with every box, the thrill of the unknown, the sting of disappointment, and the pure joy of a surprise win. It's honestly addictive, and sharing those moments with other collectors just makes it better. Even when you get a duplicate, it just makes the victories that much sweeter. Trading with friends or swapping stories about your finds is half the fun. I'm officially hooked, and now I totally get why so many people are obsessed with Labubu. The excitement is contagious. The hunt itself is an adventure, searching through stores, comparing notes with fellow collectors, and always hoping to stumble on something special. Every sealed box is a new story waiting to unfold, and you never know what you'll discover next. That's the real magic of Labubu collecting. It's not just about the toys, it's about the adventure, the community, and the memories you make along the way. With every box, there's a new surprise. And honestly, that's what keeps me coming back for more. Collecting Labubu is a roller coaster, excitement, frustration, and everything in between. The chase for the secret rare keeps collectors coming back. Some buy entire cases to boost their odds. The community is huge, people trade, share, and celebrate their finds online. Trading duplicates turns strangers into friends. The hunt transforms a solo hobby into a social experience. But it's not always easy. Disappointment is part of the game. Patience and persistence are key. The harder you work for a figure, the more you appreciate it. Seeing someone else score the rare one can sting, but it fuels the drive. The ups and downs make every win feel earned. That's what makes collecting Labubu so rewarding. The journey is just as fun as the prize. Let's talk money. Labubu isn't a cheap hobby. Each box costs $12 to $17, and nobody stops at one. It adds up fast, especially with duplicates. Rare figures can go for hundreds online. The market is wild. Prices rise and fall with demand. Scarcity makes them even more desirable. Stores sell out instantly, and collectors go to great lengths to find them. Some set alarms for midnight restocks or drive to other cities. It's easy to get obsessed. One box turns into a collection before you know it. The thrill can make you forget the cost. But for many, the excitement is worth every penny. It's a commitment and a bit of a financial adventure. Just be careful not to spend your grocery money on monster dolls. The rabbit hole is real. So do Labubu dolls really move on their own? I check my collection every morning. So far, nothing spooky. No footsteps, no shifting, just toothy grins staring back. The haunted rumors are probably just stories, but they add to the fun. People love a good mystery, and Labubu's mythology keeps growing. In reality, they're just creative, well-designed toys. The spooky tales make for great conversation, but it's all part of the hype. Still, I'll keep an eye on them, just in case. The hunt, the stories, the community, it's all part of the obsession. Labubu is more than a toy, it's an experience. And yes, I'm already eyeing the next series online. The adventure never ends.